there are students who have been assigned for people counting machine. Can you please explain the product, please? Yeah. So people counting machine. All right. I believe. Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, I'll give you a general description of what the people counting machine or what is the idea behind this product is. Let us say we all go to museums and big shopping malls, right? So especially in museums and all, it's always tedious for us to know, or the security guard. Let us say there is a security guard, and every day in the morning there are lots of people visiting the museum, and there are a lot of visitors, right? And it might so happen that some people might at the while we are closing the museum, it becomes very difficult for the museum in charge of the management to keep track of who all are still inside the museum before they can close the main doors or the main gate. They want to ensure that everybody, whoever visited the museum, are totally out, right, before they close down the main doors or the main gates. So often it becomes tedious for someone to actually visualize or go and see who all are still inside the museum, so that they can be asked to kindly leave the museum because it's the closing time. So students have actually come up with a very innovative idea here, wherein they wanted to put some kind of a device or some kind of a product at the entrance, which can automatically not only track how many people are entering into the museum, but also give a count of how many people have actually entered the museum, or how many are still inside and how many have left. Eventually, the only task is for me to know how many people are still inside the museum. So using the sensors, I mean, can you please explain what are all the different components you have used, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. My name is K. Divya Janvita. So the major components here we use is Arduino Nano,
Right.
two ultrasonic sensors, and LCD display.
Okay, excellent. So using these simple, just 3 or 4 components, they have come up with a very elegant solution of counting the people whoever are entering a particular, be it a museum or be it a mall or be it even school. For example, if you are taking a classroom, if you want to keep a track of how many people have attended to
Yes,
this
sir.
class,
Yes, sir.
right? So they should be able to use the same device anywhere to actually get an accurate count of how many people are there inside the room. Correct? Any other applications of this product?
I can explain, sir.
Yes, please. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Applications, shopping malls, seminar halls, classrooms,
Yes.
conference halls,
Yes.
museums, theaters,
Yeah.
etc.
So in all these places, you can use this product that you have designed, and let me show you how it looks. This is this being a prototype model. This is how it basically looks, and the kind of sensors that we have here is, like they mentioned, we have 2 ultrasonic sensors. That's for the logic to determine how many people are there, and we also have a small display here, LCD display being put up here, and we all implementing all these solutions using in the Arduino microcontroller, and then we have a power source as a battery, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the purpose of the display is to display the count of people who are there inside a room. So let us place this, for example, if you can see. Okay, let me try to show the video of the LCD, so that you can also get a count of people visiting and the people there inside the room. So just give me a second. I'm just arranging one more video so that you can all take a look at that. Okay, let me switch my camera to another camera so that you can all get a good view of the count. Just give me a second. Let me know if you can see the other camera. Right, I hope you can all see the product, and let me also turn it on. If you can see, can you see the LCD and tell me what is being written there?
Zero.
Can you come this side? Okay. Okay, can you all see what is being displayed on the LCD? So it shows number of visitors are 0 at the moment. That means, let us say this side of the this side of the thing that you can see my hand is the entrance, okay, and that side to the other side of the box is the actual hall or the museum. So people will be entering. People will be entering from here, okay, from here, and going into the museum or mall or whatever it is. So as the people enter, we should be able to see. As the people enter, we should be able to see the real count. So, for example, let me take something as a person, or just a second. Let me get something so that we can see as people enter, how is the count increasing. Entrance. Okay, so at the moment the count is 0, and let us say this guy is a person and he will be entering the mall. So basically he comes here at the entrance and goes inside the mall. Okay, we'll start from 0. The count is 0 at the moment, and as the person enters, as you could see, the number of visitors inside the mall, this person is still inside the mall, and the number of visitors inside the mall is 1, and one more person comes and he also enters the mall, and the number of visitors are 2, right? And one more person comes to enter, and the number of visitors are 3, right? So as the people go on, the number of visitors that you see on the LCD keeps increasing. Let us say one person is coming out of the mall. So from inside the mall, the same some person who has already went inside is now exiting. So once he exits, you see the number of visitors decreased by 1. Now the number of visitors inside the mall are only 2. Let us say one more person exits, okay, exits out of the mall. So let's say the count decreases. Yes, the count is decreased to 1 now. So that means at any point in time, we can accurately get number of people who are still inside the mall. So at the moment, there is one person still inside the mall, and let me also bring him out So I am bringing him out, and the number of visitors inside the mall are 0. So it works two ways. Not only give you the count of people who entered the mall, but also keeps track of people exiting the mall, right? So let us say one more person going inside the mall now. So you see that the number of visitors is 1. So using simple ultrasonic sensors and some kind of a logic here, students were able to actually come up with an elegant design of counting the number of people inside any particular place, be it a museum or be it a mall or be it a theater or even a classroom.